Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys which stock should you buy more in the stock market. Now there are certain stocks in the stock market that are at their lowest value or that are their at their fair price. Now those type of stocks you should buy more in the stock market. Now there is a time in the stock market that the stock market is at its highest high, meaning that it is at its all-time high, and at that phase there are also certain stocks available that you can buy at their lowest price. Now, like I've mentioned in the previous videos as well, that these are type of stocks should you buy, that which type of stocks should you buy more in the stock market. Now there are these stocks those stocks you should buy more in the stock market. Now I'm going to explain that to you in this video as well, so let's get started. Now let me pick up this one stock, First National Equities. The other is, it's just for your example to explain to you guys which type of stocks should you be buying more. You can see that there are a ton of stocks in the stock market. Now there are some stocks that are trading at their what do you say, would you call those at the side trend, or they are trading at their side trend, and there are some stocks that are at their highest high. Maybe there are some stock as well that are like maybe going in a downtrend. So there are plenty of stocks that you can consider in the stock market, which are trading maybe negatively or maybe now in the negative situation. I also do my technical analysis for this, but I do not venture those stocks that are like when they are going in an uptrend, moving in an uptrend, and they at some point the sellers are jumping off of the trend and selling that on the assumption that the stock market might go further up and it might crash, so they jump out of the market. So I do not enter into that type of stocks, because those type of stocks are not worth buying. And the stocks that I'm showing to you guys in this video, you should focus on buying those stocks, not other stocks, because these type of stocks, they are stable and you can invest in them without any problem. Usually they show growth instead of downfall or things like that. These type of stocks you should buy more in the stock market. Now what the hell is wrong with this connection? So let me explain it to you with this. No problems. Another, let's say a stock goes up like this. It went up like this was its all-time high, 80 h all-time high. Now this stock dropped in value like this, and it is trading right here at this point. Now let me see. Forget about this. Now let's say this is the 200-day moving average. Okay, now let's say this is the 200-day moving average and the stock is trading below the 200-day moving average. Only buy when the stock is trading below the 200-day moving average, and you see that as it crosses the 200-day moving average and closes closes above the, so at this time you will be selling your stock. Now as it is below the 200-day moving average, you have a great opportunity, a great time to enter, a great entry point, and which you can use and sell at this point. Enter and wait for some time and sell at this point right here, so you would have made much more profit out of this one move. So always look for stocks like these that are trading below the 200-day moving average, and which you hold for some time and sell after a period of time will give you this much profit, and from which you will make profits, from which you will make profit. You can see right here at this point, as I've showed you this move. Now this happens also in Achimoku cloud, because my internet connection is a bit slow, so you can see that when the Ichimoku cloud, when the candlesticks are trading below the Ichimoku cloud, meaning that they are trading below the cloud, and also the blue line crosses over the red line, and sorry, when the candlesticks are trading below the Ichimoku cloud, that is when you will have to enter into the stock. Not There might be a phase that all of the stocks, like the cloud is covered like this and you buy under it. So no, this is not a move. When it is below the 200-day moving average, align this with the align the 200-day moving average and the Ichimoku cloud together, so that you might have a great position for a great entry point, so that you can enter your position and then sell the stock for a mere profit. So that is when you will have to take this. So that is when that is the position that you will have to take, and this is the stock. These type of stocks that you should be buying more in the stock market, because these stocks are worthwhile and it will give you much more profit. Now these stocks are already at their all-time high. No, sorry, when the stock market is already at its all-time high, these are the only stocks that you will be buying, because they are already at their lowest prices, and you can buy them in for their lowest prices, because you can see they're below the 200-day moving average. Now they are below the 200-day moving average, you can see right here. Now you might also consider here as well that if you want to invest in these type of stocks, always look for when the lesser volume, those which are trading for less volume. So those type of stocks you should enter, because the trader have abandoned them, and the traders will come back to these type of stocks after they are done taking profit from other stocks. So they will come back to these stocks and will push the prices upward in this stock. So always enter these type of stocks and look for the stocks that are trading below the 200-day moving average. Wait for a great entry point and enter that stock, and then you'll have a greater position, and you might also have make much more profit out of the stock market by applying these methods that I've shown to you guys in this video. So these type of stocks you should be buying more. Focus on buying these type of stocks that are already at that are trading for their lowest low, those which have the lowest volume, those which are trading for their fair price. Opt for these stocks, because from these you will make a profit. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.